Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to focus on trying to record from your audio interface onto your phone. So one thing that I wanted to figure out was when I connect the audio interface to the PC, I'm able to get whatever sound that is coming from the PC recorded as well. But what about connecting to the phone? Meanwhile, I have loops that I want to play in the background. I know that ideally, let me take the this video doesn't have anything to do with the depushing, but as I'm still using the fifine. So imagine I know that the ideal way is to connect. I have my microphone or maybe my instrument all connected to one side, and also have an external source like the loops. You can connect it here, but I don't want to do it that way. What about I want to use the output from the fifine interface as an input to my mobile phone, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. So a friend advised me that I can get this guitar rig. This is called Ueteto. I like the name. So it has this jack where you connect your guitar. It's mainly, I think it was mainly meant for guitar, so you can connect your guitar or your acoustic or electric guitar to it. So I use this as the input. So I connect the audio output. Let me get it. So I just connect this to that as the input, and this one has a type C and also has a place for headphones. So whenever you are done recording onto the phone or any device, or maybe an iPad or a tablet, you can use this to monitor the sound that is coming out from the recording device. So it's a type C to type C cable that it comes with, so it was basically the easiest to connect whatever that is coming from the PC through this. So I'm going to connect it to the phone. Okay, so now I'm going to record it with I'm going to play a loop. So I've reduced the volume as low as possible because I know it's going to be very it's going to be too much compared to that of my input. So I'm increasing the output sound maybe to the maximum. People sing, holy, all creations cry, holy, you'll always be. Oh, your name is the highest. Your name is the greatest. Your name stands above them all. I don't know if the loose is loud enough. And conversations, your name stands above them all. So this is how I connect the audio interface. This is how I connect the output. I use the output as an input onto my phone, so that if I've already pre-mixed something onto the PC, maybe FL Studio, maybe BandLab, or maybe you're playing onto a background music on YouTube that you want to use for your live recording, I think this should be the best for you. Yeah, so this is basically how this one works. And you have the volume for in and out, and the lower, increasing the volume for the outputs when you connect this to your speaker. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Don't forget to leave in the comment section whatever you think, and if you're going to go for it, let me know. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you next time. Young